Good morning everyone. Today I will tell you a new topic. Is nature a mathematician? Patterns in geometry are everywhere. But nature seems to have a particular thing for the number 6. Beehives, rocks, marine skeletons and insecti. It just could be a mathematical coincidence. Or there could be a pattern beneath the pattern. Why does nature arrive in this geometry? We are going to figure that out with some bubbles. A bubble is a volume of gas surrounded by liquid. So why don't these bubbles have any shape at all? Liquid molecules are happier wrapped upon inside where attraction is balanced. This pushes liquids to adopt shapes with the least surface. Look at it here. A bubble is round with a maximum volume with the least surface. Now we are going to a test. Which one is the best? Triangles, squares or hexagons? We can test this with actual bubbles. 2 equal sized bubbles with a flat interaction. 3 and we get the walls meeting in a 120 degrees. But when we add a 4th, instead of a square intersection, the bubbles will always rearrange themselves so that their intersection will be in a 120 degrees. The same angle defines a hexagon. In the hexagon, there are 120 degrees. In a hexagon, there are more filling and fewer edges. 120 degrees are the most mechanical stable arrangement. So that's why hexagonals are more stronger than triangles and squares. We will have some examples of hexagonal shape. Rocks, honeybee hive, devil's causeway and insect eyes. So why do bees build hexagonal hives? Because hexagonal shapes are more stronger as compared to triangles and squares. Hexagonals are that much stronger that they do not leave any space. They always be joined like this. So that's why hexagonal shapes are more stronger than triangles and squares. This means honeybees can store more honey with the least amount of wax. So that's why bees build a hexagonal shape. So that's why nature loves a hexagonal. So bye bye. I hope you enjoyed the video.